Are your wood shutters dusty or dirty? We'll show you how to clean your shutters the right way without causing damage. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a vacuum with hose attachment, dusting spray, a microfiber cloth, and an easy clean duster. When cleaning wood shutters, treat them like stained wood furniture. To remove dust, swipe the louvers clean with an easy clean duster from Blinds.com. They clean both sides of the louvers in one swipe, so you'll be done with the whole room in just a few minutes. You can also use a microfiber cloth or the brush attachment of your vacuum. To remove dirt and sticky buildup or prevent future dust, you can spray your easy clean duster with furniture polish and wipe down the louvers. You can also use a toothbrush or the brush attachment of your vacuum to remove dirt and lint from hard to reach spaces. Never use water or harsh cleaners on wood shutters. They can cause warping, cracking, or discoloration. Have more questions? Call us at 800-505-1905 to speak to a Blinds.com expert about your issue.